Okay, let's unpack this. When you imagine getting a healthy tan, does your mind immediately jump to carrots? I mean, for most of us, it probably does. But what if there's like a much deeper connection between what we eat and how our skin responds to the sun? A way to get a truly healthy, beautiful glow, really from the inside out. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this to uncover the real science of how nutrition influences our skin's health and coloration, especially, when it comes to getting that perfect tan. Our mission here is to show you how certain foods can literally nourish your skin for a glow that's not just appealing, but, well, genuinely healthy.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here is that we'll explore how specific foods, and we're talking way beyond just carrots,
Yeah.
how they contribute to what we call photoprotection,
Photoprotection.
which basically means they help your skin build natural resilience to the sun from within. They also combat oxidative damage and can even subtly influence your skin's undertone. We've looked through the research and identified 5 sort of key categories of foods that can truly make a difference in how your skin looks and feels in the sun.
Okay, 5 categories. So let's start with the undisputed, brightly colored stars of the show. We're talking beta-carotene and other carotenoids, right?
Yeah, right.
You probably already know carrots for their tanning connection, and that's because of their high beta-carotene content, which your body converts into vitamin A.
That's right. Carotenes and carotenoids are this huge group of natural pigments found in plants and algae. They're responsible for those vibrant yellows, oranges, and reds you see in fruits and vegetables. And they offer really significant health benefits for us.
And it's not just orange, is it? Like the yellow in corn or golden delicious apples that comes from lutein, which protects the retina, and zeaxanthin, an anti-inflammatory antioxidant.
Mhm.
Then there's the red in tomatoes, watermelon, or strawberries. That's lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. But here's something really important you highlighted. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat it.
Exactly. That's key. Carotenoids are lipophilic.
Meaning fat-loving.
Fat-loving, yes. So we actually absorb them much, much better when they're consumed with healthy fats. Think about adding, a drizzle of olive oil to your carrot salad or maybe some avocado with your spinach. This simple pairing can significantly unlock more of their tanning power and health benefits. It makes a real difference.
Okay, so when we talk about this, how do these colorful foods actually help us achieve a better tan? Are they like an internal sunscreen, or is there something else going on?
That's a great question. When we talk about photoprotection, we mean these nutrients can help your skin build up its natural resilience to UV radiation. They don't block the sun exactly like sunscreen does now.
Yeah.
It's more like they help your cells withstand and repair damage from within. Think of them as strengthening your skin's internal defenses. They also help combat oxidative damage.
Right, the free radicals.
Exactly, which is a major culprit in skin aging, particularly from sun exposure, causing excess free radicals.
Ah, free radicals. Maybe just quickly, for anyone listening, can you explain what those are and how antioxidants help?
Sure. Think of free radicals like tiny unstable sparks flying around inside your body. They cause what you might imagine as internal rust or damage to your cells. Antioxidants from food act like fire extinguishers. They
Yeah.
put those sparks out, neutralizing the damage before it can really harm your skin cells.
Okay, that makes sense. Fire extinguishers for cell damage. I like that. What's also really interesting from the research you shared is how these carotenoids can actually influence your skin tone. A diet rich in them can give you a subtle kind of warm undertone.
You can, yeah.
We even see in the animal kingdom, like the color of salmon or, the vivid plumage of flamingos.
Yes, absolutely.
Mhm.
The diet of flamingos, rich in algae, mollusks, crustaceans, that's what gives their plumage that unmistakable orange and pink hue. It's all diet. And here's a curious finding related to humans. Studies have shown that when volunteers are shown photos of people with different skin tones,
Mhm.
they tend to perceive those with that warm, carotenoid-rich undertone as more attractive.
Really more attractive.
Yeah, it seems to be a subtle signal of vitality and maybe even reproductive success, a kind of primal instinct.
Wow, so it's not just aesthetic preference, but potentially something biological, deeper. That's fascinating. And that leads us perfectly to our next crucial food category, doesn't it? One that also works best with those healthy fats we just discussed. Essential omega-3 fatty acids.
Exactly. Foods like sardines, salmon, algae, and cod liver oil, which, by the way, is also a fantastic source of vitamin A, just like the beta-carotene we were talking about. These are all rich in omega-3s, and they contribute significantly to skin elasticity and inflammation control.
2 crucial aspects for a healthy tan.
Definitely.
And why are skin elasticity and inflammation control so important when we're talking about tanning?
Well, skin elasticity is tied to the integrity of your collagen. Collagen provides support and plumpness, so when your skin is supple and strong, it can handle sun exposure better. Simple as that. As for inflammation, uncontrolled inflammation can lead to problems like sun allergies, irritations, or just really severe sunburns. That's why it's so important to avoid toxic fats, like
Oh,
hydrogenated fats and those highly refined vegetable oils. They promote inflammation.
right. Especially for people who struggle with sun sensitivity, those unhealthy fats can really promote that uncontrolled inflammation. So instead, increasing your intake of healthy omega-3 fats can help curb that inflammation, setting your skin up for a much healthier interaction with the sun. And along the same lines, it's also critical to avoid other pro-inflammatory foods. Things like sugar, artificial sweeteners, refined flours, and industrially produced dairy. They all contribute.
Absolutely. Okay, our third power food category, sauerkraut or fermented cabbage.
Ah, sauerkraut. Love it.
It's often used as a side dish for meats or fish, and it's fantastic in salads for that rich, tangy, salty flavor. And the deep dive into the research really highlights its unique benefit for skin.
Yeah, fermented foods are amazing for boosting gut health, which might sound unrelated to tanning at first, but your gut is so intrinsically linked to your skin. A healthy gut means better inflammation control overall and improved skin appearance. It helps avoid that sort of fixed, spotted look often associated with unhealthy skin.
Absolutely. The gut-skin axis is very, very real. When your gut microbiome is balanced, it supports your immune system and reduces systemic inflammation,
Mhm.
which directly reflects on your skin's clarity and resilience. It's all connected.
So other fermented foods would be good too.
Oh, yes. Other fantastic fermented foods you can include are things like miso, kimchi, kefir, kombucha tea, and yogurt, though preferably from goat or sheep if possible.
Got it. Okay, next up, we turn our attention to the artichoke. Now you might be thinking, artichokes, liver. Aren't we talking about skin?
Yes, but everything is connected here. It's clear that good liver health is absolutely fundamental for healthy, radiant skin, right from the ground up.
Okay, explain that connection.
Yes. So your liver is your body's major filter, right? Foods that enhance its detoxification work.
Mm.
They directly promote a fresh and radiant skin appearance. Artichokes are great for this, but also things like chicory, endosaves, even green tea are incredibly helpful. When the liver isn't functioning optimally, it struggles to get rid of accumulated toxins.
And here's where your skin comes in, because your skin isn't just a barrier, it's one of your body's key escape routes for waste, isn't it?
Exactly.
So if your liver gets backed up, those toxins can end up trying to exit through your skin, and that can lead to problems like dermatitis, eczema, acne.
hmm Skin that's subjected to a greater passage of toxins just gets irritated and inflamed, and that makes it far less receptive to achieving a healthy tan.
So nurturing your liver health is actually a crucial step for healthier skin and a better tan. It all links back.
Precisely. And finally, our fifth category brings us to broccoli.
Broccoli,
Okay.
which is excellent for its high vitamin C content. Foods rich in vitamin C also help us tan better, mainly due to their powerful antioxidant effect, like we discussed, and their role in preserving and protecting the internal structure of the skin. Collagen synthesis, basically.
Right, vitamin C. When we think of vitamin C, our minds often jump straight to oranges or lemons,
Oh.
Citrus fruits have definitely hogged the spotlight there.
They really have.
But the information you pulled shows there are other foods with even higher concentrations that are particularly beneficial for skin health.
That's a great point. While oranges are good, sure, acerola cherries are way up at the very top. They far surpass oranges in vitamin C content. But right up there, too, are red peppers. They pack an incredible punch of vitamin C.
Red peppers, really?
Yes, crucial for strengthening skin's natural defenses before sun exposure by supporting collagen production. Also, guava, blackcurrant, and even Brussels sprouts are surprisingly high. Brussels sprouts, okay, good to know. So it's not just about getting any vitamin C, but specifically boosting those sources that really help with collagen formation and overall skin resilience.
It's exactly.
It truly emphasizes that vitamin C isn't just for fighting colds, is it? It's fundamental for building healthy, sun-ready skin.
You got it.
So, okay, what does this all mean for you, the listener? We've covered quite a lot of ground today, from the star power of beta-carotene in carrots and other colorful foods, and remembering those fats help their absorption, to the skin elasticity benefits of omega-3s found in things like sardines, the gut health magic of fermented foods like sauerkraut,
Yeah.
the detoxifying role of artichokes for your liver, which we now know is key for skin, and that protective boost of vitamin C from broccoli, red peppers, and other maybe unexpected sources.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it becomes really clear how these diverse nutrients work synergistically. They work together, they provide valuable photoprotection, they act as potent antioxidants guarding against those excess free radicals. They can reduce your susceptibility to sunburns and even protect against premature skin aging and DNA damage. It's really about building a tan and fundamentally healthier skin from the inside out.
It truly emphasizes that eating colors isn't just some trendy phrase. It's a phenomenal year-round practice. Really important, including a variety of different colored foods, preferably organic and chemical-free if you can, along with those fermented foods and healthy fats. It truly prepares your skin to make the most of the sun's rays while genuinely caring for it from within.
And this raises an important point. Remember that intriguing evolutionary insight we touched on, that a healthy carotenoid-rich glow is perceived as more attractive.
Oh, yeah, the vitality signal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's seen as this subtle signal of vitality and reproductive success, a primal instinct. We even see it in the animal kingdom where more vivid plumage often leads to more reproductive success. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Are we sort of hardwired to seek out that vibrant glow?
It's a fascinating thought. So for you listening, the secret to a beautiful, healthy tan and healthier skin overall is quite literally on your plate. So as you think about preparing your skin for the sun and nurturing it from the inside out, here's something to consider. What single colorful food will you add to your diet this week, maybe paired with a healthy fat like we discussed, to truly embrace this holistic approach to skin health?